Tired of searching for photo editor app? These 5 apps will change your editing game forever. And the best part? Most are free. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, where we explore the best apps for art, design, and productivity. Today, I'm showing you the top 5 photo editing apps, and it also beginner-friendly. Number 5. Lightroom. It's a very simple and easy to use. You can use it for free or you can purchase the extra features. As you can see, it have many options. You can crop, add just the color, reduce noise, filter. If you are only into photo editing, then you can go for it. Number 4. Pixlr. It is also a free application and also have a purchase plan. The interesting thing about this app, you not only edit photo, but also make collage, generate AI images, remove background, remove etc. Those who search for this type of app, they can go for it. Number 3. Photoshop Express. Some people want to use Photoshop but don't have PC, don't worry. Photoshop Express is for Android or iOS user. It's not exactly Photoshop, it's similar to. The most interesting thing is replace background and spot healing. Number 2. Picsart. Picsart is one of the best app. It is free and have purchase plan. You can use Picsart as a photo editor, video editor, and collage maker. Picsart have many options like effects, retouch, cutout, add shape, mask, and so much. You can edit photo, make logo, business card, poster, filer, thank you card, anything. If you search for all in one app, then this app for you. And the number 1 app is totally free. You don't need to purchase anything. And best part is you can use this app offline. Snapseed. Snapseed is the best photo editing. It's simple and easy. You really don't see any AI thing here. And the most beautiful part is there are no annoying ads. You just tap to the plus symbol, select the picture, and start editing. It have many tools like healing, curves, HDR shape. People who like peacefully editing, they can go for it. Bonus, Photo Room. You can also check this app.